Optical Factory, we guarantee you the best vision possible. How do we do this? With our unique 3-step process. Step 1. Prescription. Our expert optometrists use the latest equipment and spends 50% longer on your eye test than the industry average to get the most accurate results possible. Step 2. Lens design. Did you know that you can see differently through 2 types of lenses, even with the same prescription? Using virtual reality software in our in-store iPads, you can see the world through many types of lenses with your prescription incorporated, so you can choose the best lens for your lifestyle. Step 3. Customization. We analyse you using the most sophisticated measuring system, the Zeiss iTerminal, and incorporate your personal data into your lenses. This positions the lenses in your glasses 10 times more accurately than standard. The result? By going through this 3-step process together, we guarantee you better vision. You experience the world through your